If your Stripe bank account isn't linking, it can block payouts and delay your business cash flow. Yeah, this usually happens because of incorrect account details, unsupported banks, or verification issues. But don't worry. I'll show you how to fix Stripe bank account linking step by step. First, double-check the account number, routing number, and account type. Even a small typo can prevent the account from linking. Make sure your bank is supported by Stripe in your country. Some regional or business-only accounts might not be compatible. Your Stripe account must be fully verified to link a bank. Submit any required documents like ID, proof of address, or business verification. If linking still fails, try using another bank account. Sometimes certain accounts have restrictions or routing issues that Stripe can't process. Browser issues can sometimes prevent linking. Clear your cache, disable extensions, or try another device. If the account still won't link, contact Stripe support. They can troubleshoot the issue from their side and help connect your bank. And that's it. Following these steps usually fixes Stripe bank account linking issues so you can start receiving payouts without delays. If this helped you, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more Stripe troubleshooting tutorials.